In this video, we'll walk you through 5 practical methods to back up iQOO to Mac with ease. Method 1. Sync iQOO to Mac by Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager is an all-in-one solution for backing up iQOO data to Mac. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your Mac. Then open the program to enter its main interface. Step 2. Connect your iQOO phone to the Mac using a USB cable, and follow the on-screen prompts to enable USB debugging so the software can detect your device successfully. Once recognized, you will see your device information displayed on the screen. Step 3. Click the backup option, choose the data types you want to save, then set a destination folder on your Mac. After that, click the Backup button to start backing up your iQOO data. Method 2. Backup iQOO to Mac via Android File Transfer. Android File Transfer is a free and simple tool for transferring files from your iQOO to Mac. It allows you to copy photos, videos, music, and documents, but doesn't support contacts, messages, or app data. Step 1. Download Android File Transfer from Google's official website and install it on your Mac. If it is already installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Connect your iQOO phone to the Mac using a USB cable. Unlock your phone, and when prompted, select File Transfer Meet TP mode. Step 3. The program should open automatically on your Mac. If it doesn't, you can manually launch it from the Applications folder. Once opened, you'll be able to view your device storage. Step 4. Browse the folders on your iQOO and locate the files you want to back up, such as photos in the DSIM folder, music in the Music folder, or documents in the Download or Documents folder. Step 5. Drag and drop the selected files or folders to a location on your Mac, such as the Desktop or Documents folder. Step 6. After the transfer is complete, safely eject your device from your Mac before disconnecting the USB cable. Method 3. Backup iQOO to Mac using Vivo Cloud. Vivo Cloud is a wireless backup solution for iQOO devices, allowing you to back up data to the cloud and access it from your Mac. It's convenient and cable-free, but depends on your internet connection and available cloud storage. Step 1. Open Settings on your iQOO phone and go to Account and sync Vivo iQOO Cloud. Step 2. Sign in with your Vivo account, or create one if you don't already have one. Step 3. Enable cloud backup and select the data types you want to back up, such as contacts, messages, and photos. Step 4. Tap Backup Now to upload your data to the cloud. Step 5. On your Mac, open a browser and visit the Vivo Cloud website, then log in with the same account. Step 6. Choose the data you need and download it to your Mac. Method 4. Conduct iQOO backup to Mac with Google account. Using a Google account is an easy, free, and automatic way to back up iQOO data without cables. It primarily backs up system data, but may not include all file types like photos unless additional sync is enabled. Step 1. On your iQOO phone, go to Settings System Backup. Step 2. Turn on Backup to Google Drive and sign into your Google account if needed. Step 3. Select the account you want to use and tap Backup Now to start the process. Step 4. Wait for the backup to complete while connected to Wi-Fi. Step 5. On your Mac, open a browser and go to Google Drive, then sign in with the same account. Step 6. Locate your backup and download the data you need to your Mac. Method 5. Backup iQOO to Mac through EasyShare. EasyShare by Vivo is a fast, wireless method for transferring files without cloud storage. It's convenient and cable-free, but best suited for file transfers rather than full backups. Step 1. Install and open EasyShare on your iQOO phone. If it's not pre-installed, download it from the App Store. Step 2. On your Mac, open a browser and access the EasyShare web transfer page. Step 3. Connect both your iQOO and Mac to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your Mac to establish a connection. Step 5. Once connected, select the files you want to back up, such as photos, videos, or documents. Step 6. Transfer the selected data to your Mac and save it to a local folder.